Welcome back to the second part of our exploration into the Vision extension. The Vision extension is powered by GitHub Copilot. In the first part of this series, we covered the installation, configuration, and some basic use cases of Vision extension. If you missed it, make sure you check that video. The link is provided in the description. Today, we are taking things a step further. In this module, we will demonstrate how to use Vision extension to generate web page code directly from the design. Here is the plan. We will start by a web design, share it as an image to the Vision extension, try to extract the HTML, CSS and JS matching the design. Finally, if it is not aligned completely to the design, we'll fine-tune with the help of Copilot. Let us get started. I'm in VS Code, have a bunch of web designs starting from the first design. It's a login page design. Let us use this for extracting HTML, CSS and script. We don't have any code in these files. So let me attach this one first, the one.png. Let me invoke the Vision extension and ask Vision to generate HTML, CSS, JS code for the design attached. Here we have attached the one.png. The Vision extension is extracted the HTML and the CSS, and we have the JS component. Let us take this into our files. So HTML, just copied this one, and we have the CSS component here. Move to the CSS file, and we have a script file. Let us take this script file as well. Now all the HTML, CSS and script is ready. Let us preview this one using the live server, and here is the response. So we have the screen design with the proper coloring and the components, and obviously the logo is missing because we don't have that logo. This is our design. It contains a background image and a logo. Obviously we need to replace that. But our Vision extension is extracted most of the components. Now, if I feel that I need a different approach, like this block needs to be center aligned, vertically centralized, and learn more should have a different color combination, let us fine tune this design with the help of Copilot. So this time I'm going to take the multi-edit and attaching all the documents, that is a CSS, script, even though that doesn't have much impact, the HTML, asking to modify the code to align left side component. Even I can refer that properly if I need. There is a right panel and left panel. So I can specify left panel content to be vertically centered. Make the buttons smaller size by fitting the text, and color it as orange. So if I have a proper color, that also I can specify that. So let us see how it's going to modify it. Styles only, most of the content will go into the styles. Yeah, here the change is only in styles. That's why styles.css is modified with a few updates. So let us just accept it and complete this one. Storing this one and going ahead and previewing our new ones. As you can observe that it's center aligned now with the blue orange button. And in case I need some more alignment issues or font changes kind of thing, I can quickly ask Copilot to do that. So let us remove all this content and take a little more complex screen. Script is done, cleaning up everything in the HTML, and instead of 1.png, let me go with speakers or this one. Okay, let us take this one where we have a different cards are used. At the end, I am expecting the vision to create the cards accordingly. So let us pass again this one, that is the ice cream design menu order.png, and as vision generate HTML, CSS and JS for the attached design. Use the colors and dummy images. So if I have some other images, I can replace later. So I just asking this one, generate the HTML, CSS, JS for the attached design. Use the different colors and different dummy images. Let us see how Vision is going to convert this design into a proper HTML, CSS and JS combination. The HTML is created, CSS is almost completed, JS is also done. So let me take this HTML into my page, and we have the styles here. Now the JS component again doesn't have much except some alerting. So going to the HTML and going to do a live preview. The screen is here, and let us compare this with our design. It's captured almost the colors, because here it's an image is created on the background, and it's provided the cards where you can replace the images. The footer is missed, the 0 items or the footer element is missed, and you have the complete data capture, durian and this one $7 order. So if I need to fine tune it further, for example, the heading, I need this ice cream heading, or the title should be left aligned, whereas menu, card and settling should be right aligned. So let me ask Copilot again by attaching all these files. I am not going for multi-edit, just passing the HTML and the CSS, that is the styles.css file, and asking to arrange the title into left side and menu items like menu, card, settling to the right side. That is one change I need. Second one is modify the cards in the design to show the order as a link instead of button, and make it central aligned. So there are multiple changes. I am asking Copilot to do it, and passing the currently passed index and CSS file, the HTML and CSS file. Here we are not using Vision. Vision is extracted the basic structure already. Here we are going to modify the HTML and CSS further. So taking the help of Copilot to do that, let us hear how it's coming up with that. So the HTML is modified. I'm just selecting this one, deleting and pasting the new HTML. And let me go to replace the CSS also. Done with HTML, CSS, and we have the existing one. You can see that the title is left aligned and the menus are in the right aligned. Also order, earlier it's a button, right now it's a link. This is how you can extract the base structure using the Vision extension. Later use the Copilot to align the design based on our requirements. Here you may need to add the background image and the images for each of the cards and format it a little further to get the exact design. Try it out today. Thank you.